building the tree ID3 algorithm. We now know how to pick the best question to ask, but a decision tree isn't just one question. It's a whole sequence of questions, each one refining our prediction. So how do we go from a single best split to a complete tree? The answer is a classic algorithm called ID3, and the key word is recursion. ID3 stands for iterative dichotomizer 3. It's a greedy recursive algorithm. Greedy means it picks the best feature at each step, no looking ahead. Recursive means it repeats the same process on each subset. The recipe is simple. Step 1, compute information gain for every feature. Step 2, split on the feature with the highest gain. Step 3, for each branch, repeat on the remaining data. Step 4, stop when a node is pure or no features are left. Let's build the tree for our tennis dataset. We already calculated information gains for all 4 features. Outlook 1 with a gain of 0.247. So Outlook becomes our root node. The data splits into 3 branches, Sunny with 5 examples, Overcast with 4, and Rain with 5. The Overcast branch is the easy one. All 4 examples have the label yes. Entropy is 0, nothing left to split. This becomes a leaf node. Yes, play tennis. Whenever the Outlook is overcast, we play. Done. The Sunny branch has 5 examples, 2 yes and 3 no, not pure. So we need to split again. We recalculate information gain on just the Sunny subset. Only 3 features remain: temperature, humidity, and wind. Humidity gives the highest gain. When humidity is high, all 3 examples are no. When humidity is normal, both examples are yes. Both children are pure. They become leaf nodes. The Sunny branch is fully resolved. The Rain branch has 5 examples, 3 yes and 2 no. Again, we recalculate information gain on this subset. This time, wind wins. When wind is strong, both examples are no. When wind is weak, all 3 are yes. Pure leaves again. The Rain branch is complete, and just like that, we have our full decision tree. Outlook at the root. The Overcast branch goes straight to yes. The Sunny branch splits on humidity. The Rain branch splits on wind. 5 leaf nodes, each one perfectly pure. This tree correctly classifies every single example in our training set. Using the tree is simpler than building it. Take a new day, sunny, cool, high humidity, not windy. Start at the root. Outlook is sunny, go left. Humidity is high, go left again. We reach a leaf. No, don't play. Now take an overcast, mild day. Outlook is overcast, go to the middle. We immediately reach yes. Every prediction is just a path from root to leaf. To recap, ID3 builds a decision tree by greedily selecting the highest information gain feature at each node. Then it recurses on each branch. It stops when nodes are pure or no features remain. The result is a transparent model. Every prediction can be explained as a sequence of simple questions. In the next video, we explore an alternative to entropy called Gini impurity.